The CX33 and CX43 microscopes enable users to remain comfortable during routine microscopy. Users can easily and quickly remove or add slides with one hand. There is no need to stop and open the holder. The low-position nosepiece is close to the focus knob, enabling users to quickly change the magnification with minimal arm movement. For additional user comfort, the focus knob is placed low on the frame so users can keep their forearms resting on the desk while making observations. The low-position stage improves the visibility of the specimen on the stage. The stage knob's low position enables users to change the XY position of the slide while their hands rest on the desk. In addition, the stage knob is located close to the focusing knob, so users can control the XYZ movement with just one hand. These features save time and help reduce user fatigue. The CX43 microscope's universal condenser facilitates a variety of observation methods, as well as future upgradability. To learn more about CX33 and CX43 microscopes, visit www.olympus-lifescience.com.